to introduce our guest speaker. Let us give her a round of applause.
Our speakers, the board of directors headed by our president, Dr. Nieves P. Dizon, our principal, Ma'am Grits Talisik, where's Ma'am Grits? And the same time, our MC, our registrar, Ma'am Jane Alquesa, faculty members, and staff, my dear graduates, proud parents, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This afternoon, I am tasked to introduce a very important person this occasion as one of our guests of honor and speaker. I can name him with many pleasing adjectives to reflect his personality as an empowered professional man. However, my own description may not exactly equate his achievements. I know this one is difficult, but the thought that he is a man of virtue and simplicity, I feel elated to introduce him to everyone. He is a living inspiration to our parents and to the graduates. He started his elementary education at Don Carlos University Elementary School. He graduated his high school at Central Mindanao University, Muswan, Maramag, Bukidnon as valedictorian. He graduated Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Science, and minor in Economics at Bukidnon State University as cum laude. He took Master of Arts in Values Education at University of Asia at the Pacific, Pasig City, funded by Hans Seidel Foundation, Germany. He is happily married to Ma'am Alma Evangelista, Assistant Vice President of Land Bank of the Philippines, and blessed with 5 children. In order to follow his passion in the world of academia, of the virtues of values that was developed and nurtured in his education, which was substantiated due to his attendance in local, regional, and national seminars, trainings, and conferences. At present, he is designated as Chief Quality Assurance Division at the Department of Education, Region 10. Ladies and gentlemen, proud parents and graduates, help me welcome our guest of honor and speaker, Professor Rogelio Crisostomo Evangelista. A round of applause.
Kindly take your seat. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Thank you very much, Ma'am A, for that very kind introduction. Saan ba tayo nag-anak nun? My greetings to the members of the Board of Directors, with the leadership of the school president, Dr. Nieves Dizon, Madam. Madam Mary Jane Lagbas, our VP Administration and Finance. Madam Ilia Galindo, representing TESDA, and all the officers of the Board of Directors of the Legal Access Institute of Technology Incorporated, our graduates, parents, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Thank you very much, Access, for inviting me through Ma'am Mary Jane Lagbas, and we had scheduled this long time ago, but I will be here this afternoon. I would like to zero in on my message, capturing the message of our graduating honor student, Ifana Jas Alamori. I love your message very much. And I would like to capsulize all of those messages. I would like to come here to you as your tatay. I am also a parent. I would like to talk to you. Can we raise your diploma? Where's your diploma? Sige, raise your diploma. Mag-klase tayo ngayon. Okay, can you raise your diploma? Where's your diploma? Okay, yan na lang. Envelope. The diploma is inside the envelope. Okay, everybody has a copy of your diploma. Unsay buot ipasabot anang diploma that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the course, whether academic track or textbook track. This will tell you you are now ready for the next journey. For the academic track, you are ready to go to college. For the textbook track, you are ready to work because you are now NC holder. You might as well go to college because the textbook track graduates can still proceed to college once you decide going to college. That diploma will tell you that we are here this afternoon kay gusto nato mag-celebrate sa atong kalampusan. Are we not happy that we have gone through the difficulties? Shall we, do we have that privilege to be congratulated this afternoon? Can we afford to clap for ourselves? Louder? And of course, let's clap for our parents. The message of our student kanina will tell you your journey. Though you may not have the same story, but you have also your own story. Gaano man kaganda at gaano man kasalimuot yung kwento ninyo, nagkaroon kayo ng kwento sa senior high school. There are difficulties na through. Madaming problema. Pag ito kayo ngayon, you are very proud to receive that beautiful paper that will tell you, I'm ready for the world. Naintindihan niyo ba yun? Na binigyan kayo ng papel na yan dahil naniniwala ang I-Access na handa na kayong maglakbay kung saan man nyo gusto when you go to college. Life is not easy. Iligan ay nabiktima ng Typhoon Basyang. And maybe some of you were victims. But here you are. Hindi kayo nagpatalo sa bagyo. Hindi kayo nagpatalo sa baha. Dahil pagkatapos ng unos, bumalik-ulit kayo sa school. Tuloy ang buhay, tuloy ang aral. That is what makes it beautiful. Because we are resilient. Kahit gaano kahirap ang buhay, sabi niyo, paano kanina, kahit gaano kahirap ang buhay, tuloy pa rin. Because we can do something because we are powerful as a human being. I know you would like to go to college, right? So, let's try to see what are the principles in life na baunin nyo para magiging gabay ninyo sa inyong paglalakbay sa college life. One thing that I would like to share with you is the virtue of prudence. Ano ang prudence? Ito'y magsasabi na in spite of so many challenges or in spite of so many choices, every day, may mabuti, may hindi. But you have your mind that will tell you, I will choose the best for me. Nasa inyo, ang daming tukso sa araw-araw. Ngunit, desisyon mo kung gawin mo ang nakakabuti para sa iyo. Desisyon mo makipagkinlan na ngayon. Desisyon mo makipagrelasyon during college life. But beware na pagkakaroon ng relasyon sometimes will distract your studies. And your parents are also expecting you to do good in school. Sayang naman yung pera ng magulang kung hindi kayo magtapos sa kolehiyo once you decide when you go to college. The virtue of fortitude will tell you sacrifice. Diba, madam, sabi mo kanina magsakripisyo. That's true. Because it's not easy to go to college. Kung ano yung nadaanan nyo sa senior high school, ilang doble yan ang dadaanan nyo when you go to college. I will tell you. Kung naranasan yung problema sa senior high school, the more that you will be thinking when you go to college. Dahil hindi madali ang mga challenges in college. May challenge na may mga bullies sa school. May challenge na may professor na hagulan ng grado. May challenge na hindi mo, you cannot control yourselves, na huwag mo nang ma-inlove. Kasi nagkaroon ka ng crush kaagad, first day pa lang ng klase. There are many realities that you will undergo. But our parents are expecting us to do what is good. Kasi kung magtagumpay kayo sa kolehiyo, you will be very happy. But I will tell you, doble ang kalipay sa inyong ginikanan kung you will be successful in college. How many years from now, you will be attending the same ceremony, having the toga that will tell you, graduate na sad ko sa college. And you will really see how happy our parents. Kay mas happy ka kung nag-graduate, doble ang kalipay sa ginikanan because nahimo nila ang ilang responsibilidad to make you ready for life. Kung ana'y danggo sa mga ginikanan, nga matagaan o maayong panginabuhi ang mga anak. That's our dream. That's our dream. That our children will be ready for life. Our children will be ready for marriage. Our children will be ready for family life. At paano sila maging ready? Give them the necessary knowledge and skills through education para makaya nila ang challenges of married individuals. Dili sa'yo ng pamilya, mga anak ha, dili sa'yo ng pamilya. I will tell you, dili sa'yo ng pamilya. So, as your tatay here talking to you, we will show our gratitude to our parents. We will behave very well in the community. Kasi nga, ang sinabi ng ating theme of the year, di ba, competence and character. How can we show our character? Okay? How can we show our character? And all of this, the behavior that you are displaying today is a result of the very good upbringing of your family. Lahat na kinikilos nyo sa ngayon ay resulta sa magandang upbringing ng inyong pamilya. It is only assisted by the school. And we are very happy to see this afternoon na kahit man nagiging may challenge konti, kahit may challenge konti, but you are able to show that you are very good children of I-Access. So we would like also to congratulate the administration of I-Access because they were able to train you and they were able to provide the necessary knowledge and skills so that you will be ready to go to college. Lahat ng ito ay efforts ng community, ng inyong parents, at ng school. So palakpakan natin ang lahat. And I would like to end our activity na I would like you to go near to your parents. So once you will hear the music, the graduates will stand at lumapit kayo, puntahan nyo ang mga magulang nyo, magpasalamat kayo, you hug them, you kiss them, tell them you love them. Kasi paminsan-minsan lang kayo nakapagsasabi na I love you mama, I love you papa, thank you very much. And this is your moment dahil minsan-minsan hindi kayo nag-uusap. This opportunity will give you get near to your parents. Huwag kayong mahiya. This is our activity and this is our way how to say thank you to our parents. So, we'd like you to stand, music, and once you hear, you go to your parents.